We'll guide you through how to set up the WooCommerce payment gateway on your online store. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the WooCommerce section on the left-hand menu, then click on Settings. Once you're in the settings, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Payments tab, which is where you can manage all your payment options. Now, you need to enable the payment gateways you want to use. You'll typically see options like PayPal, Stripe, and Direct Bank Transfer. To enable a gateway, simply toggle the switch next to it. For this example, let's set up PayPal. Click on the Manage button next to PayPal to configure the settings. You'll need to enter your PayPal email address, which is where you'll receive payments from customers. You can also customize the title and description that will appear to customers during checkout. Make sure to save your changes once you've entered all the necessary information. If you're setting up Stripe, you'd follow a similar process. Click on Manage next to Stripe, then enter your Stripe API keys, which you can obtain from your Stripe account dashboard. Remember to save your changes after entering your details. It's crucial to test your payment gateways to ensure they're working correctly. You can do this by placing a test order on your site, using the sandbox mode if available, which allows you to simulate a transaction without using real money. This step helps you identify any potential issues before your customers do. That's it. Your WooCommerce payment gateway should now be all set up and ready to accept payments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.